In the future of search engines, I continue the investigation I began in my previous work. In this book, I explore how search engines will evolve in the future, drawing on my track record of predicting technological advancements. My predictions are not just guesses. They're based on current trends and supported by real-world evidence that has consistently proven accurate. For example, I warned early on about the risks of relying too heavily on AI-generated content for SEO and digital marketing, a caution that has been validated by subsequent updates to Google's algorithm favoring human-generated content. Picture a fleet of slick voice-controlled search drones elegantly maneuvering through the physical world, ready to quickly gather information and respond to user queries with remarkable efficiency. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a compelling vision of where search technology is headed. These search drones represent a significant shift, seamlessly connecting the digital world with physical reality. Imagine strolling through a bustling city, curious about the history of a famous landmark. With a simple voice command, a nearby drone swoops in, providing a wealth of information instantly. From historical facts to real-time updates, these drones redefine how we access information about our surroundings, essentially turning the world into a readily available database of knowledge. It's important to note that by drones, I mean smaller drone-like devices, not to create accidents in our surroundings. And they are not the larger drones commonly used today. But why limit our search endeavors to Earth? The future of exploration reaches far beyond our planet. There is a speculation about search networks expanding into space, allowing us to explore the mysteries of distant galaxies. As humanity's desire for discovery drives us toward the stars, these networks have the potential to unravel the universe's secrets. Imagine a future where communication with extraterrestrial beings is possible, enabling the exchange of knowledge across vast cosmic distances. I delve into this concept further in my books, The Cosmos and Searching for Aliens on Earth and in the Cosmos. While some contemporary scientists may argue for humanity's uniqueness in the universe, the future could offer a different prospect. Remember how Galileo's support for the heliocentric model challenged the prevailing belief in a geocentric universe, leading to his condemnation by the Inquisition in 1633? It serves as a reminder that anything is possible. This exciting prospect sparks our imagination and fuels our unending quest for knowledge. At the core of these visionary concepts lies an unwavering commitment to progress. Technological advancements continue to dazzle, offering increasingly sophisticated tools for information retrieval, from AI-powered computing to advanced data analysis. Our arsenal of search capabilities has never been more potent. Yet perhaps the most remarkable aspect of this technological revolution is its inherent simplicity. Gone are the days of cumbersome search engines and endless scrolling. Searching becomes intuitive and seamlessly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Looking forward, one thing remains abundantly clear. The boundless potential of search technology knows no bounds. It's a journey fueled by innovation, curiosity, and an unwavering determination to unearth answers. So, as we venture forth into uncharted territory, let's embrace the notion that this is just the beginning. With each groundbreaking idea, a monumental stride, we edge closer to a future where finding answers is as effortless as posing a question. Get your copy today.